A high degree of intellect tends to make a man unsocial. You'll never feel ready. Ready isn't a feeling, it's a decision. All you need is a little delusion and audacity, and you can do anything in life. A clean intention attracts unseen help. Well done is better than well said. The art of knowing is knowing what to ignore. Some years you win, some years you build character. Focusing is about saying no. It takes a lot of hard work to make something simple. When something is not for you, it'll hurt you until you understand. The purpose of knowledge is action, not knowledge. Nothing is worse than the respect based on fear. Materialism is an identity crisis. The self-tailored do not seek approval from the mass-produced. There are decades where nothing happens, and there are weeks where decades happen. People think of education as something they can finish. Intelligent individuals learn from everything and everyone. The stupids already have all the answers. What Paul says about Peter tells us more about Paul than Peter. To be a fool at the right time is also an art. Anyone can find the switch after the lights are on. Absence is the highest form of presence. Say a little and say it well. The good lawyer knows the law. The clever one knows the judge. If you make a mistake and do not correct it, this is called a mistake. Who gossips with you will gossip about you. The day you stop racing is the day you win the race. If you cannot decide, the answer is no. The only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. When a clown moves into a palace, he doesn't become a king. The palace becomes a circus. If you don't learn the lesson, life will repeat the test. Observation is the greatest source of wisdom. Most of the trouble in the world is caused by the people wanting to be important. The most important conversation is the one you have with yourself. What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Relationships are worth fighting for, but you can't be the only one fighting. A deep talk and apology can fix a lot of mess, only if you're mature enough for that. Sometimes people don't notice the things we do for them until we stop doing them. Healing includes so much random crying. Let it out. Every successful person you admire survived a season you didn't see. The prize isn't the trophy. The prize is who you become in the process of earning it. Confidence in public comes from discipline in private. If the path before you is clear, you're probably on someone else's. The power of thoughts can cause you illness or recovery. Don't just blindly follow the trends, sit and think if they actually aligns with your identity. Always be the person who encourages, support, and brings positive energy to their surroundings. If people are respecting you because you have money, are they actually respecting you or the money? No amount of regret can change the past, and no amount of worrying can change the future. Once you hit a certain age, all you want is God, family, stability, and peace. Pain unlocks a secret doorway in the mind, one that leads to both peak performance and beautiful silence.